welcome to Crochetsmash. Today we are going to start making a flower. So we make a magic circle, hold it like that, then insert the hook and make a chain to lock it in place. Now we are going to make 10 single crochet. So we made 10 single crochets in the magic circle. Now we are tightening the magic circle. See, we are going to not on the first chain, we are going to do it on the first single crochet. We are going to make a slip stitch into the first single crochet. So we can cut the yarn and we will add the next color. Now we are going to attach the yarn in one of the single crochet. Then we are going to the next stitch and do a slip stitch. Now we are going to make chain 5, 2, 3, chain 4, and from the second chain from hook we are inserting the hook, pull up a loop, then the next one insert the hook, pull up a loop, in the next one also insert the hook, pull up a loop. Now where we did our first slip stitch in this one, so we are going to insert the hook and pull up a loop. Now we are going to grab the yarn and pull through 2 loops, then grab again, pull through the next 2 loops, then grab the yarn, pull up 2 more loops, grab the yarn and pull through the last 2 loops. Now we are going to insert the hook into the first chain here, pull up a loop, then the second one insert the hook, pull up a loop, the third one insert the hook, pull up a loop, then again in the base we are going to insert the hook, pull up a loop. Again we have 5 loops on the hook. We are going to pull through 2 loops, then again 2 loops, then we have left with 3 loops on the hook. Pull a little up and do it gently through the last 3 loops on the hook. Then insert the hook into the first one right here. Pull up a loop 1, then insert, pull up a loop 2, insert, pull up a loop. So we have 4 loops on the hook. We are inserting the hook over the base, then we have 5 loops on the hook. We are going to go through 2, again 2, then the next 3. Now we are going to skip the first this one, then in the next one we are going to insert and do a slip stitch, then in the next one also insert and do a slip stitch, then we are going to slip stitch to the next stitch. So the one petal is complete. Now we are going to slip stitch the next one and make a chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and repeat same like this one. make 3 more petals and we will meet. Now we have 5 petals and we are going to slip stitch the first place where we join the yarn, and now we can that's it. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel youtube.com/@Crochetsmash. Please do like, share and comment on my video so this small channel can grow. Hope you like it. If you like it, please give a thumbs up and share a comment with me, so it will make me happy and motivate me to keep doing more videos. But we will see again with a new pattern. Till then, bye bye.